Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane, and before we get into the video, I'd like to take a moment to thank everyone who's taken the time to watch, comment, and like the videos, and a special thanks to those who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. This is the only way the channel grows, by you dropping comments, subscribing to the channel, let me know what you think. For those of you who may be stopping by for the first time, on this channel we focus on a passive income investing strategy by buying stocks in good companies that pay dividends. It's not rocket science. In my opinion, the best way to do anything is to keep it as simple as possible. So it really boils down to consistently investing, buying dividend growth stocks and growing companies with positive cash flow that covers the dividend and companies that return a high yield on their invested capital. I utilize both a dollar cost average approach, consistently investing into the stocks within the portfolio, on a minimum of a bi-weekly basis every 2 weeks whenever I get paid. Most times it's every week, but I also do large purchases whenever I find myself with some extra funds. I cover all my investments into the portfolio on this channel. I do not have a paid Patreon account, nor do I intend to ever have one. We all have enough to pay for, so it's free to see what I'm investing in. But if you'd like to help out the channel, dropping a comment, liking the videos, and subscribing helps the channel out tremendously. I also have a link to my Webull account down below, so if you're looking to start your own investing account, if you use that link, you'll get some free stocks when you sign up and deposit funds into that account. I'll get some free stocks as well, so that's one way you can help out the channel. I don't typically cover what I'm investing in on Webull on this channel. They're more of a speculative plays that I do there, but in my other portfolio, my dividend investing portfolio, I'll cover everything that's invested in that on this channel. With that said, guys, let's get into the stock pick of the day. Today we are going to cover IBM. IBM is an oldie but a goodie, guys. It's one that I have in my portfolio, so full disclosure, I am long IBM. They did do a recent spinoff this past year, so it's one I believe is a good turnaround play. It might be one to look at for your portfolio, so let's take a quick look at it. International Business Machines Corporation, ticker IBM, at the close of business on March 11th, or April 11th, is $126.37. It was down 1.06%. Looks like it's after hours, it's pretty flat. Now the 52-week range, it's been as low as $114.56 and as high as $146.12. The beta is 1.10, so it is a little bit more volatile than the overall stock market. PE is at 19.9%. That is a little high, so again, if you can catch it as it's coming down, maybe it drops closer down to this 1.14%, and that would probably put it in more of a 16-17 PE ratio, which I would be comfortable in there. Even at these levels, I'm an adder of this particular stock. Anything to me under 130 is a buy, but that's just my opinion. The forward dividend, $6.56 annually. It is paid out quarterly, so divide that by 4. It does have a high yield at 5.14%, and its last ex-dividend date was February 10th, 2022. All this information is brought to you by Yahoo Finance. Again, I'm not affiliated with Yahoo Finance, just where I get this information from. So if you wanted to look it up yourself, that's where you could go to see all this. Again, you can see it came down here, down to this 126.37. Their one-year estimated target date is $143.47. So they see some upside. Let's see what some other analysts have to say. This information brought to you by stockanalysis.com. Again, not affiliated, but where I picked up this information. So again, International Business Machines Corporation, ticker IBM, 126. They are calling it, according to the 27 stock analysts that have taken a look at this, a buy, right on the edge of buy and hold. That would be a hold. This would be sell back here in the red. And their low estimate is $116.15. So again, if you can get it closer to that 114 of the 52-week low, maybe watch for it to drop down a little further. They do see a further decline of 8.09%. Their average estimate is $146.34, so that would be 15.8% upside from where it currently sits, and their high, $173.25, that would be a 37.1% increase from where it sits today. So there you have it, guys. IBM is the stock pick of the day. Pulled back significantly. This is actually a picture from this morning, a little wavy as the sun came up this morning. It's actually raining, but I got a quick shot. It kind of looks like the market right now, a little wavy out there, a little rain over here in the distance. So again, on these red days, this is where I like to add to good companies that have positive cash flow, that cover the dividends, And as always, guys, appreciate you stopping by. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. I do personally read and respond to the comments, and I'm always interested to read your questions and or opinions. This is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion on investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you're going to have comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.